menea, se menea, se menea. Se menea la cadera, se menea la cadera. Y ahora me plancha los dos boricua. Pidi pa porido, pido do. Pidi pa pido do, pido do. Pidi pa pido do, pido do. Pidi pa pido do.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jacqueline Flores, and for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my first cooking tutorial, I believe. I don't think I've ever cooked in front of you guys. But yeah, I'm like kind of nervous and excited. So I'm like, what if you guys judge me or no sé qué? Or what if I burn it? Hijo de chingada. Anyways, I'm gonna be making Kodiak muffins, and I love these. These are gonna basically be meal prep muffins for the week. So you guys are kind of meal prepping with me. Not really, because I'm showing you guys how I make these Kodiak muffins. And yeah, I posted it one time on my story, and a lot of you guys were asking what's the recipe for it, and it was like a lot of you guys that were asking for it. So I just kind of decided to, I answered a few of you guys, and I just kind of decided to wait and kind of do a video on it, just show you guys a step-by-step on how to do it. Okay, so the first thing I start with, I'm grabbing my Kodiak cake mixture, and this is in the flavor it's in the flavor buttermilk. I personally like doing their dark chocolate waffle mix, but I just ran out of it last time I made the muffins, so I'm gonna just finish these right here and then just add chocolate chip in it for the chocolate flavor. And these are the mini semi dark chocolate. Let me just show you everything I have real quick. So okay, so I have my milk, and I'm using the 2% milk. You could use the almond milk if you want. I don't have any right now because I haven't gone to the grocery store, so I'm just kind of using everything I have from home. So I'm gonna need 1 cup of milk, and then I'm gonna need 2 ripe bananas, and these are really ripe, so I just put them in their plastic bag, a banana each, and then just froze them. That way they can last longer for me, and also so I can use these for like smoothies and like how I'm using right now for the muffins. And then I have my bag of mini chocolate, and then I have my mixture. I have the light brown sugar, and this calls for 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And then I have my container that I'm going to be mixing it in, just any plain Tupperware. And then I have my I don't know.
What?
The mixture tool, whatever. No sé. That. And then I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup of butter. And that's that. And then 1 huevito, 1 egg. And then I have my 12 pan of cupcakes ready to go and lined up. And yeah, and the measurements I'm going to be using are the 1/2 cup measurement and then a 1 cup measurement. So I preheated my oven to 350, and then once I'm done mixing everything and putting it in the little liners, I'm going to be putting it in there for 14 to 18 minutes. So I usually set it for 15 minutes, and they should be good by then. But yeah, so the first thing I'm putting in my mixing bowl is the 2 cups of this mixture. And like I said, this is the Kodiak Cakes buttermilk flapjack and waffle mix. And they have tons and tons of flavor. Like I also have a peanut butter one, but I just kind of want like a chocolate chip muffin type. And this recipe calls for 2, and I don't think this is gonna make another cup, so I'm gonna have to open another package. And I got the buttermilk flavor ones from Costco because they sell them in a bigger box. They usually come in a generic store. They come in with 1 bag, but at the Costco they come in a huge box of 3, I believe. So now I'm adding the 1/2 cup of sugar, and there's my uneven 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, now I'm just gonna be mixing those two ingredients together, just because I like mixing my dry ingredients first and then my liquid ingredients. I know a lot of people like doing it the other way around, but for some reason I like doing it this way. So that's what I'm doing right now. And now I'm gonna be adding my 2 ripe bananas. I like you can just personally use regular bananas. I personally like using ripe bananas because with ripe bananas they give that more flavorful more flavorful taste to it. And it's because it's like all the sugar's coming out. Well, it's all going to sugar. So that's why it's more like tasteful than just a regular banana. But I mean, I don't wait for bananas to go ripe. Here in my household, we eat a lot of fruit, so they don't go ripe. Usually I get these from my mom or my sister because their bananas do go ripe. You know what? No pasa nada. Todavía están buenas. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna add is my 1 huevito. Far it's looking like this clump of thing right here. Okay, the next thing I'm adding is my 1 cup of milk. Nomás lo tiro allí. All I have left to add is my 1/4 of a cup of butter. This is what it's looking like. You are gonna see a little bit of clumps from the butter because it's gonna be softened butter, not melted. I'm just gonna grab a handful of the chocolate chips and put them in here. Oh. And it really isn't a lot, honestly. Like, it's like that much, if you can see that. So the chocolate chips are just gonna be like in random places of the muffin. But then I'm gonna top a little bit more on top, not a lot. I'm just gonna grab this 1/2 of a cup and scoop it up from there and then place it on the pan. Okay, so like I said, I put them in the oven for 15 minutes on a 350 temperature setting. And then now I'm just gonna put my timer on. All right, Alexa, put a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so I'll see you guys when the muffins are done. Okay, as you guys can hear, my Alexa timer is going off, so that means they're done. Alexa, turn the timer off. Alright guys, and this is how they turned out. Okay guys, so this is how one of them turned out. And I'm so excited. So it looks burned, but it's not burned, okay? But anyways, I'm so excited to eat it because they're really, really good. Like, my mouth is all watery. I'm like... tastes really bomb. And you know what? I can taste the banana. So it's kind of like a banana chocolate chip muffin. Because that banana has a very strong taste to it. And you could even smell it when it came out. Alright guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys try these muffins out. They're really good, really easy to make. So like I said, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Might as well do it right now that you're here on the channel. Thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.